Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start our first unit, that is depreciation. I have already explained you regarding the single entry, but in the new syllabus, as last year also the first year's textbook have been changed. In this year also the second year textbook of accountancy also changed, in which he deleted the single entry system. So our first chapter is depreciation only. Whatever the classes I have given online, the single entry system, if you want to see for your knowledge purpose you can see, but in academics we do not have a single entry system. We have from the depreciation, but the depreciation chapter is very important for you. So let me start our first chapter, that is depreciation. So what is depreciation? Reduction in the value of asset after wear and tear, or it means reducing the value of asset after put into use. For example, if we are going to buy any asset or anything, for example, the asset means if I am buying a bike, after completion of a certain time, after using that bike, the value of that asset decreases. Right? What it means, if I am buying the bike, I am using that bike, after completion of a certain period, the value of asset decreases. It means what I am doing, I am wearing and tearing it. It means I am using it. For example, if I am buying the bike of 50,000 in the last year, after completion of a certain period, after completion of 1 year or 6 months, the value decreases to 40,000. Means at the time of buying the value was 50,000 and after completion of the year the value is 40,000. So the difference is how much? 10,000. It is the decreased amount. It is the decreased amount which is called as here depreciation. Right? In any asset except the land को आपको depreciation नहीं होता है. Remaining building or machinery, furniture, bike or motor vehicles, everything, each and everything will have the depreciation. So actual the word where from depreciation is derived. Before going to our definition, first we literally what do you mean by depreciation? That word depreciation is actually derived from the Latin word depretium. Depretium. Here D means what here? D means decrease and prium means depretium. So D means what here? Decrease. Pretium means what here? Price or value. Price or value. So overall, literally depreciation means what? Decreasing in the price or value of an asset after using it or after put into use. So now we will see the definition of one of the author, that is W. Peckels. Defined depreciation is continuous and permanent diminution in quality, quantity or value of an asset. What depreciation means? It means continuous and as well as permanent. Permanently you are decreasing the value of asset, that is called as here depreciation. Next, इसको pass कर.